Remember, self-confidence comes from within. You can build it day after day, try after try. But how do we do this? Number one, you need to make sure that you focus on your talents and your strengths. You need to figure out what you're really good at and really pay attention to that. Number two, we need to make sure that we replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Instead of saying, I'm not good at this, I don't think I can do it, I'm not good enough, you can say, I'm sure I can do this. I am ready, I am prepared. And who's awesome? I'm awesome. And once you repeat it over and over to yourself, you start to believe it and you start to feel more confident. Number three, you need to make sure that you surround yourself with positive people and do activities that you enjoy. You need that positive mindset. You need the positivity in your life. And number four, you need to concentrate on progress, not the perfection. Step after step, you need to keep moving as long as you're moving. And the last one is persistence. Will help you to be the better version of yourself. Stay persistent, stay positive, and you'll get there.